Okay, here we go. Me down here in the little bitty box. Hope you can hear me. This is how you add an ad to the sidebar. I'm in $1,000project.com. See here, here's a banner. Okay, if we go over here to the back office, to appearance, to widgets, this is going to show up your sidebar with the widget that you have already added. If you're going to add a clickable link, or you want to add a banner, you scroll down till you find text. On I just click on it and tell it which one I want it to go. Sometimes, on some of them, you have to actually click it and drag it up there. Either way, it will put it there. So you add the widget. Let me get rid of this. Now once you add the widget, it's no different than when you're working in a post. There is the visual. See, there's the banner. And there is the text. Now this code right here is the same code that is in this notepad. There's the exact same code for that banner. This code you are going to use over and over and over again. So save it. So what I'm going to do, first off, see where it says href equals? That's where the link that when people click on the banner, you want it to go. So I've got a couple set in here. I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go in between the quotes. See the quote marks right there? I'm going to go in between them. I'm going to delete that and paste in my new URL I want it to go to. And now I want to change the image. So here's an image that I have hosted. You have to create the image in Canva, upload it to your site, get the URL for it where you saved it on your site, and that is what you're going to put right in here where it says image source. Again, between the quotes. And I'm going to get rid of that. See how the two quotes come together? And I'm going to post that image in there. Now, here is learn to earn whatever you want to put in there. You can change that. It's a title. You can change that out. So I'm going to copy all this. I have changed out. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to send this to you. I'll send this notepad just with that one line to you so you will have it. Okay? So, we see the banner over here, right? Learn to earn. There it is. So I come in here under text, and I take what I just copied. I get rid of this, and I paste this in. Now if you notice, there's the URL that I added, and there is the image that I added, and I go save. Okay, now it says saved. I go right over here, and if I refresh this page, like so, now we have this nice little image come up. And if I click on it, if I click on the image, it takes me to where I wanted it to go. Okay? That's how simple it is to add an ad in. If you want it to be a written ad or something like that, then you go to visual. And we'll get rid of this. We're going to delete it, and I'm going to put in, let's do it all cap letters. So I put in all cap letters here. So I'm going to pick out something here, and I want to make that clickable. You use that little link right there. You put in the URL. Let me go over to my little page and get a URL to put in there. There is my target to where I want it to go. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to click Save down here. And it says it's saved. We're going to go back over here and go back to the blog. And there it is with that one that we had in there. And I hit Reset. And there is exactly what we typed in. And if I click right there, it takes me to where I want to go. Okay, that's all it is. That's all it is to have. You want to do it. Usually a banner not more than 160 wide and something comparable long. I usually use, that's a 125 by 125. A 250 by 250 works great for me. That's a square banner for 250 by 250. You can use a 250 by 300, 250 by 400, make it longer. That just makes it longer. But it's up to you what size you want to use in there. So let me go back over here, and I'm going to take all this out, delete it. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to hit refresh. And voila. Nothing's there. That's how you do it. That's how you add an ad. And you can add them anywhere you want to. You can add them into a banner. You can add it below your post. You can add a banner at the top of your post. You can use banners a whole lot. An ad can be a clickable link. But that's how you add a banner to the sidebar. So I'll get out of here and save that for you so y'all can see how to add a banner to a sidebar.